forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
Oh, Herman! Guys, now I am pretty darn sad because this is the last look in my Halloween series, guys, and I cannot believe how fast it went. Guys, check out these nails. Like, they keep scratching me and getting caught in my wig, but it is all good, guys. It is all good. And guys, like I said, I'm really sad that this is my last look, but if you guys couldn't tell, I mean, if you guys are familiar with the show, I did LILLYMUNSTER. Now, I absolutely loved this show growing up. I was always watching it, my parents said, and I was always watching it with my gramps. So, you know, it grew on me, and I mean, I've always loved Halloween. Like, I was not kidding you when I said that. Ever since I was a little girl, my parents always dressed me up as a witch, though. I mean, I was other things too. I was like a cheerleader, I was a princess, I forgot what else I was, but mostly a witch. I was always a witch. So, I mean, I guess I just, you know, grew up with that. I mean, I just love witches, but I mean, I love how this look came out, guys. I mean, like, look at this. But by the way, I want to let you guys know, this is more of like a sheer paint, as you can tell. It doesn't really cover your face, it's more of a shimmer. But if you guys do not want to opt in for this kind of look, then you can change it. You could use like white translucent powder. I mean, you could do other things, but I like this shimmer. I like how this looks, and it is in black and white anyway. I mean, this is how it looks without the filter on it. And, you know, her signature, like, blue shadow with the wings and the crazy lashes. I love super long wings anyway, so this was really fun to do, guys. But, without further ado, I want to cut all of this chit-chat, and let's get right into this video. I am first going to start off by priming my eyes with my Morphe eyeshadow primer. I am now going in with this gorgeous palette. I just love all of the colors. I'm going to be taking the color Peace, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids, guys. And this just represents Lilly's signature blue shadow, and I love how this looks. I am now going to be taking the shade Milk, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes. Lilly has a little bit of white that just makes her eyes pop, and I wanted to add the same thing. I am now going in with my Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers Paint Palette, and I'm going to be taking that gorgeous silver shade, and I'm going to apply that all over my face, guys. Like I said, this is not really full coverage. It's more of a shimmer on your face, but it is pretty and sparkly, guys, and it gets an A+ from me. I am now going to be taking that same paint, and I'm going to be covering the edge of my eyebrows, and this is because Lilly has different eyebrows just like every character I have done for this whole Halloween series, and I had to cover the edges because I am now going to be using some pomade from my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette, and I have to draw on her seriously arched eyebrows, and I just love how this came out in the end. I am now going to be adding some bottom liner because you guys know that I cannot live without that. And then I'm going to be applying some white liner to make my eyes pop. I applied my wings and my false lashes off camera, and now I'm going in with my Bretman Rock Ultra Satin Lippie in the shade Wig. Alright my babies, and here is the final look. What do you guys think? I am blown away. I love how this came out. You guys can put any spin on this look that you want as usual. It's makeup, like I always say, play with it. I put it in black and white like the original was, but I also showed it in color just so you guys can see what it looks like. As usual, if you guys do recreate this, please tag me in photos. Alright my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell, guys. That way you won't miss any more uploads of mine. And leave some comments down below as usual and let me know what your favorite look in this whole series was. Honestly, I think my favorites were the Sanderson sisters because, I mean, I have an obsession, but I love Sally and I love doing Lilly, of course. And just because spooky season is over doesn't mean that I have to stop any looks. I could always like paint my face, post looks on Instagram, let you guys know what I use in them. I could do IGTVs. Let me know. I'm open to feedback and I want to know what you guys want to see. I mean, if you guys enjoy this and I enjoy it, then it's a win-win because I love creating content for you guys. I pour my heart and soul into my Halloween series every year because it is near and dear to my heart, and I love spooky season, so I mean I can't really stress that enough, guys. So I mean I really don't mind putting all of that out there for you guys, even though, you know, spooky season is over. I mean, we could all use some fun during this time, you know. But with all of that said, guys, I hope that you have a happy Halloween if you guys are allowed to go out or have any parties, or if you choose to go out. I mean, just have some fun if you go out there, but stay safe, know your rules, and let me know what you guys are going to be for Halloween down below. With all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah. This is kind of hard to do with these nails.
It's barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.